Hi guys, this is Shaheen Sheikh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going for a sari exhibition, that's Naiva Silk. We are going to see their collection and we're going to know about the brand from the founder, that's Deepa. Let's go. So here we are at Naiva Silk's exhibition that says draping you in a grace tradition and affordable luxury. Hi Deepa, how are you?
All good, all good. How are you, Shaheen?
I am also good. I am very excited to see your collection today because we are here to see your sari collection and have good conversation with you to know about your journey and all of it. So
Pleasure to have you. Please go ahead and see our collection.
Let's go!
Yay!
So that's the exhibition space. Lot of customers were coming in. They were really enjoying to see the collection and getting their best beautiful saris. Honestly, I also love sari. The best gift I could ever receive is sari because I enjoy it every time I wear it. I really like the collection of Naiva Silk. Beautiful color combination, amazing material. People were really enjoying it. Every time there were customers around. This one looks perfect for a festive vibe. Well, this is one of my favorite color and it looks only so comfy. So yes, they have a lot of good collection of saris with so many different color options. So this was a short tour of the exhibition space and their beautiful sari collection. Now let's talk to Deepa and know more about her brand from her. Yes, let's go. So Deepa, what is Naiva Silk?
Naiva is a sari brand, it's a clothing brand. Started initially with only silk saris, but now we are specializing in all types of saris, suits and lehengas. We ship to many countries.
That's lovely. Wow.
That's how it started with suits and lehengas. Initially with the saris, when they asked for more suits and lehengas option too. That's how we started with suits and lehengas.
It's amazing. So Deepa, is there any personal or cultural story behind the name Naiva?
See, we all have seen our grandmother, mothers draping a sari with pride. So the name Naiva is derived from my husband. He took the name, like he wanted a very unique name. So the meaning of Naiva is Nai means new beginning and Va is Vastra.
Wow, Nai means new beginnings and Va is new Vastra. That's
Like
beautiful.
new Vastra. So that's how Naiva is formed.
Very, very deep meaning you have to your
Correct.
brand. That's very beautiful.
Yeah. So he gave us that name. Initially we had many name options. So we had a family boat. We have a small team. So the WhatsApp group, like everyone liked Naiva. Then that's how the Naiva was.
So you all went ahead with Naiva. And I think you have done the best selection of names. It's great. Naiva
Yeah,
is very
everyone in the exhibitions, in the online clients also, they keep asking me, what's the story? I mean, what's the meaning of Naiva? So that's how we explained that. So they also like it. Very exciting.
It's a very unique and beautiful name. And after knowing the
It's a
meaning,
very deep. They keep telling me, इतना deep किसने सोचा?
Deepa ने सोचा.
नहीं मेरे
Deepa के husband ने
सोचा।
सोचा. Okay. Great. That's great.
Yes.
So what inspired you to start Naiva?
So Naiva started. I'm always into designing. Everyone keeps telling me I have a big eye when it comes to creativity, designing. And I've done my designing and merchandising from Kashmira.
Kashmira.
Yes.
Okay.
Textile designing. So I was always into it. Then for some time, for the brief time, I moved to Japan.
Okay.
There I started working as an English teacher. Like,
English teacher.
Yeah, in a government school. So then now we are back to India. So we are trying to build a brand here. Just in a initial phase, we are taking baby steps. Slowly we are trying to build it. But sarees, I feel it's timeless.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And we believe
And I
in
really love the one you're
And
wearing.
the one
right
I'm
now.
wearing.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So we always wanted to try our hands in sarees, suits and lehenga. Suits and lehenga, initially it was not in our plan. It was only sarees. Then as I said, as we
On
started,
demand.
yeah, on demand, and as we started shipping out, so they wanted with sarees, they wanted suits and lehenga, so that the complete shopping is for a event, for a function. So that's how we started. But we are specialized in silk sarees.
Silk sari,
silk
guys.
sarees.
Silk sarees. So what type of sarees you are into now?
So initially we started only with silks, the Kanjivaram silks and the soft silks. But due to the exhibitions and online clients. So there are different types of clients who are only liking the patola silks. There are some who likes tissue chiffon. That's how the demands increased,
Yeah,
and
then
we
you
also started
added.
delivering. Yeah. That's how now we have more than 500 looms we are working with.
It's amazing.
Yeah, with the viewers and the vendors, and we have like more than 500 clients, and some of them are repeat. So we love that fact. Like, so if you have taken one, they are repeat for 2 hours. So we love that. We are thinking that we are doing a great job. We are not compromising on our quality, and we are giving a good service. And then they somehow the clients are connecting with us. They're spreading the word, and that's how, like within 7 to 8 months span, we have reached to more than 1,000 followers. But then I feel still way to go.
That's true. You know, you have a very great journey ahead. Your brand has a great journey ahead. But as you said that, you know, you have a repetitive customer.
Yes.
The person who's coming and buying from you is again coming and buying from you. That's a very big
Yes.
win situation
Yes.
for your brand. That's absolutely.
And they're spreading the word.
That's
And
great.
I'm getting a recommendation. इसने मुझे आपका reference
किया,
दिया,
वो किया.
उसने दिया. So I'm loving that. Even though I've met them only once, but at the end of the day, it's the quality, it's the service what
correct,
you are
correct. And we have
providing.
seen during our tour at your exhibition, you have great collection and amazing
We
quality.
handpick it, we design it, we sit with the weavers, and sometimes we even customize. So I think it's a lot of hard work in this, a lot of effort, lot of time. As a
Lots of
mother
love.
of two, I don't get much of time for myself, but this package is running me, and I have to take care of the kids also, their studies. It's too much, but then I'm enjoying the journey.
That's great, finding your time for yourself, for your passion, and executing and inspiring people like us. That I think you're doing great, and we're very, very
Thank
proud.
you so much. Thank you so much.
So, were there any challenges, and how did you overcome them, if there were any?
The shipping was a challenge initially, the lehengas and all. Like it was difficult, the heavy it is. So the weight issue was there, but then we overcome. So nothing comes easy. Initially, you will have to fix. That's how you grow.
Correct. You learn,
You learn.
right?
But initially, it's like you have never done these all things, so it is always a first time.
Correct.
So once you learn, you grow, you make mistakes. From there, you grow more. I feel. So I think
And you learn more from your own mistakes.
Own
That's
mistakes, yeah.
what we all know, right?
yes. And there are clients also. I would say the clients are helping us most of the time. If they come to know it is an exhibition, they message me. So they keep asking me, यहाँ पे है क्या exhibition, वहाँ पे है क्या exhibition. My aunt wants to buy from you. Like that.
That way
So
they want
I would say I'm always blessed with the good people. I'm not only with Naiva, even in my life. So I'm always surrounded with good people, nice people. I don't know why, but that's a blessing.
That's so amazing.
I
That's so
know.
amazing. So do you have wedding collections and all that as well?
Yes, now what we have started is we get a wedding orders from some of the clients. That we started with our clients only. So इसके घर पे शादी है, इसके घर पे शादी है, so they will share their number, talk to them. So now what we have started, when we get the call, we send our staff to their place. तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं, अपने पूरे लोगों को जमा करते हैं, चाचा चाची जिसको जो लेना
चाहिए,
है.
हाँ.
बट वी आर सॉर्टेड. पहले का हमारा 5-6 वेडिंग ऑर्डर से हो ही जाता है. So then they select from us and they buy and then I keep asking them for the pics. So that's how the
Journey is going
journey
on.
is
That's
going on.
great.
Yeah. So like my dad always wanted like he said अभी इतना ट्रैफिक है, ये है, वो है, सबके लिए डिफिकल्ट है. तो ऐसा लाइक हम दो स्टेप पे दे देते ना.
That's why
Why
you
to-
chose to be an online.
नहीं, even the wedding orders, minimum 2 sarees we have to buy. We initially thought, then we thought नहीं, अगर किसी को पसंद नहीं आ रहा तो that pressure should not be on anyone.
Correct.
It's a hard-earned money.
Correct.
Everyone is working hard to.
Correct. That's so sweet of you all to think that way.
Yes. Initially we thought like business-wise, we are traveling with the staff and all. I send the staff, then I have to pay the staff and then the allowance and all. Then I thought, no, that's not right. If they don't like it, it's okay to get rejected. But normally ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. We are so confident about our sarees, the quality and the designs. So that's how we are taking wedding orders.
So we have very regular and special customer of Naiva, and they would like to say something for the brand. Let's hear it from them. Hello ma'am, hello sir. Please let us know your review.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello, yeah, I'm Sudha from Jindal, Bihar. I first met Deepa from Naiva Silks in an exhibition which was held in the grounds of Hirapanna, next to Hirapanna. And there was a beautiful collection. There was some ceremony going on there, some function going on there, and only few stalls were there in fact. But the best one I found was Naiva Silks, run by Deepa Shetty, you know? Yes, and she has such wonderful collections. I just glanced through. I just glanced them, and then I went back to my husband and told him I have seen 2 sarees, beautiful ones that I don't have. Of course, I had them, but then I gave them away to my daughters-in-law. So I said I would like to own them now. So he saw them. He went immediately and picked up those 2 sarees for myself. I wore them and sent Deepa the pictures as well. I'm sure she will appreciate them where I have worn it.
You already posted now.
You know, we
Yes.
met
So-
Deepa and her father.
Oh.
And what made me buy those sarees, where along with the sarees, love and affection was coming along with them. You see, this is not the case anywhere else. You can buy and it is money exchange. It's not, but this one is abundant love, abundant affection. I told her, don't hesitate, just buy it.
That makes us come back to her again. Yes, that's how it is. So 3 cheers to her. Let her do well and with the family. Her parents are there.
And
to
keep
help you.
passing on your love and
Yes.
affection.
Thank you.
Yeah, with lot of blessings as well in those
Because
sarees.
the love and affection multiplies when you give away.
Yes.
It doesn't get half.
True. Yes.
And especially when you are, selling wedding sarees,
Correct.
that has to have a lot of blessings,
Yes.
love and affection. So that I'm sure Deepa is sharing with her sarees and along with her parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Deepa. You know your journey is very inspiring, and you have set up a beautiful brand. We have heard from your customers as well. We have seen your sari, and I just want to wish you lots of best wishes for your brand, and can't see your brand doing wonders. All your dreams just come true.
Thank you, Sain. Thank you for coming over and being such a great support. You're motivating me more now.